Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing guys how you can easily scan robins to get info cards in Heartopia. So you don't actually have to look for them. They'll actually be here where Bailey is. You'll see 1, 2, 3 robins. So you don't have to look for them. You do need them to be 2 stars or above. And it's actually pretty simple. You just need to kind of get close a little bit to them. They won't move and they have to be in the middle or doing an action that has 2 stars. But as you can see, I got the picture anyways. And that is how you can easily scan robins. I also used them to level up. I just stayed here and took pictures of them. I kept scanning them until I was level 6 of bird watching. So that's another tip if you want to use that. But yeah, I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!